Hey guys, we are done with that video, but really this is the fourth time I'm recording this video. Oh no. Bye. This is the fourth time I'm recording this video, and the thing is right here, right? The thumbnail to the part 1 is right here. Hopefully I'm putting it there, because if I just rage quit, it will look very weird. So it's up there, so shoot that subscribe button, shoot that bell to get all notifications to my channel, and shoot that like button to make this video super popular. Kinda mess it up, but not that much. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!